Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Della di sini. Oke guys, kali ini kita bakalan ngereaksi video tentang warga asing yang katanya lebih nyaman di Indonesia daripada tinggal di negara mereka sendiri. Nah, gimana nih tanggapan mereka tentang Indonesia, sehingga mereka bilang mereka lebih nyaman tinggal di Indonesia daripada negara mereka sendiri. Oke, video kita kali ini yaitu judulnya "Ini Buktinya Warga Asing Merasa Lebih Nyaman Tinggal di Indonesia Daripada di Negara Mereka Sendiri." Nah, bagi teman-teman yang selalu nonton video kita, semoga kita semua diberi umur panjang, rezeki yang berlimpah, dan kesehatan yang selalu menyertai kita. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, langsung aja kita tonton videonya.
Indonesia for me feels like home. See, why do you fly all the way to Indonesia for a football game? Yeah. Okay, but everything is about perspective. So a Timnas game is an experience.
Okay.
Think of it like a party, a football match, a togetherness, and I use this word that the one way to describe a Timnas match is family. And you go inside the stadium, everyone is there, like when they do the national anthem, everyone sings, yo, yo, everyone stands up.
Yeah.
And you really feel the energy and the family. So the players on the pitch are incredible, but the supporters in the stands blows my mind because the energy they bring is fantastic. And you know, any excuse for me to come to Indonesia, I'll always come. You know, Indonesia for me feels like home.
Banyak warga asing, baik yang berkunjung maupun yang tinggal sementara di Indonesia, merasakan kehangatan yang luar biasa dari masyarakat setempat. Di sini, mereka tidak hanya diperlakukan sebagai tamu atau pendatang, tetapi juga sebagai bagian dari keluarga besar Indonesia. Keramahan dan senyuman tulus dari masyarakat Indonesia membuat para warga asing merasa nyaman, seolah mereka sedang berada di rumah sendiri. Keakraban ini membuat mereka merasa diterima dan dihargai, tanpa ada rasa takut atau canggung. Pengalaman ini seringkali meninggalkan kesan mendalam, membuat para warga asing ingin kembali dan merasakan lagi hangatnya persaudaraan di Indonesia.
So things that I admire about Indonesians, there are a lot. Their culture is like much more laid back and friendly and like family oriented. And so I like that. I like that walking down the street, you know, a dozen people are gonna like greet you and say good morning. Like that was just great. Every day you just felt like very cared for by the community. So Indonesian culture is starkly different than what we have in the US for sure. Although Indonesia is not like an Islamic country, there is majority Muslim influence. And I think like they get a bad reputation sometimes, but the reality, at least in Indonesia, is that they are so kind and like really good, faithful people. And so 5 times a day, you always get to hear their call to prayer to show a lot. And so just like on all these loudspeakers, you just like hear this cool like call to prayer. And even at like 4 in the morning, you'll look out, there will be like these like elderly people shuffling to the mosque to pray. And that's like happening 5 times a day, every day. Also, they have like a lot of religious holidays that are very different. There's one that's like a sacrifice day, and so the day before you see like all of these cows and sheep and whatnot in the streets, and then sacrifice day comes and the next day none of those animals are there anymore. But we got to witness that, and it was like not wasteful. They would sacrifice them with like their religious rites or whatever, and then they would give the meat out to the community and share it. And sounds like everything that they do, I feel like, is very community oriented. Also, style is a lot different. A lot of it's influenced by like Islamic clothing, where men wear like the longer, baggier pants. They'll have like the wraps. Men will wear like a wrap around their waist, which here like is more of like what a girl would wear like a skirt. Over there, it's like something that a man wears. It's religious clothing. Women cover their faces and their heads, so they wear like hijabs, where they can just see their face. And that's another one of their like religious beliefs. That's not something they need to do. Some will even cover with a burqa everything except for their eyes. And so you see that a lot. They're very like modest people, very respectful of like of each other, of their families. There's just people everywhere all the time. People are very comfortable with that. Culturally very different than here, but great.
Terlebih lagi, pria Amerika ini sangat kagum dengan rasa nasionalisme masyarakat Indonesia yang tak pernah ia dapatkan di negaranya sendiri, yaitu Amerika.
especially on Independence Day. Indonesia's only been around for like a little over 70 years as a country, and so it's like relatively new. Some of the older people like remember when they won their independence, and so that's really cool. They celebrate and play all sorts of fun games on Independence Day. We do like sack races, like get 3 people inside a sack and like race another team of 3 people. Just like fun, different things. I think they even mandate, most cities, right? The whole country mandates you like wave, you like fly a flag on Independence Day, an Indonesian flag. So that was cool as well, just to like be part of that and like fly around Indonesian flags. Ya, jadi di Indonesia, saya pikir orang-orang di sana
Ternyata bisa bahasa Indonesia juga.
seperti dihormati dengan keistimewaan mereka, tetapi mereka sama berharganya dengan negara yang lain. Misalnya di Amerika Serikat, orang-orang di sini mungkin tidak mengetahui Indonesia dengan begitu banyak, tetapi sebenarnya orang-orang di sini sama berharganya dengan orang-orang di Indonesia. Saya percaya bahwa orang di sana benar-benar istimewa. Mereka punya keluarga yang kuat dan mereka ingin memelihara lingkungan yang baik juga dan yang menerima.
Nah, gitu guys. Jadi ternyata bule-bule atau warga asing yang dimana kali ini tuh tersuara itu warga Amerika yang datang ke Indonesia. Mereka melihat Indonesia tuh sangat nasionalismenya sangat tinggi, mulai dari saling menghargai, terus ibadah, hari kemerdekaan. Mereka ada yang nggak bisa mereka dapatkan di negara mereka, tapi mereka dapatkan di Indonesia. Seperti mereka dari negara asing ke Indonesia, tapi warga Indonesia menyambut mereka seperti keluarga mereka sendiri, nggak membeda-bedakan, nggak mengasingkan, tapi malah dirangkul seperti keluarganya sendiri. Sehingga warga asing itu menganggap Indonesia itu sangat bagus di pandangan mereka ya, tentu di pandangan kita juga. Terus mulai dari hari kurban mereka lihat, terus hari kemerdekaan kita, di ibadah seperti ibadah Islam itu dilakukan 5 kali sehari, mereka juga melihat itu. Dan semua yang mereka pantau itu ada yang nggak mereka dapatkan di negara mereka, tapi mereka dapatkan di Indonesia gitu. Nah, bagi kita semua yang nonton video ini, semoga kita semua diberi kesehatan, kelancaran aktivitas. Cukup sampai di sini dulu video kita kali ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.